Before going to solve this problem, let me consider the equation of the form. Consider the equation uv equal to k, where k is positive integer, means 1, 2, 3, etc. Whatever it may be, taking the value from 1 to 1, 2, etc. And in particular, consider uv equal to 6. Now, 6 can be partitioned into two parts whose product is 6. That is, 6 is equal to 1 into 6, 6 is equal to 6 into 1, 6 is equal to 2 into 3, and 6 is equal to 3 into 2. There are four partitions, and therefore uv equal to 1 into 6 implies u equal to 1 and v equal to 6. If uv equal to second case, that is 6 into 1, implies u equal to 6 or v equal to 1. And if uv equal to 2 into 3, implies u is equal to 2, v is equal to 3. If uv equal to 3 into 2, implies u equal to 3 and v equal to 2. There are possibly three solutions are there, because four solutions, and because 6 can be partitioned into four partitions whose product is 6 only. In general, if uv equal to k, k is a positive integer, then k can be written as ki into kj, where and there are if there are n partitions, there are 2n solutions are there, and therefore u is equal to ki and v is equal to kj, and reversely, or u is equal to kj and v is equal to ki. In this way, we can solve such equations here. Applying this idea to solve the present problem, let us see here solution for this present problem. Consider x plus xy plus y equal to 76. Adding both sides 1, we get x plus xy plus y plus 1 equal to 76 plus 1. And because we have added 1 to both sides of the equation, and this implies x into bracket 1 plus y plus 1 into y plus 1 is equal to 77, and this implies x plus 1 into y 1 plus y is equal to 77, by rewriting this term 1 plus y plus 1 can be written as 1 plus y. Since x is greater than or equal to 1 because the integers x and y are positive integers, y greater than or equal to 1 implies x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 2 and 1 plus y or y plus 1 is greater than or equal to 2. And therefore, from the equation 1, we can write down 1 x plus 1 into y plus 1 is equal to 7 into L1 or L1 into 7, and therefore x plus 1 is equal to 7, y plus 1 is equal to L1, or x plus 1 is equal to L1 and y plus 1 is equal to 7. And this implies x is equal to 6 because take 1 to the right hand side, that is going to be 6, and y is equal to 10. Similar way, we can take out this to the right hand side and this to the right hand side. Or x, this is L1, x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 6. In either case, x plus y is equal to 16. This is the answer for our problem.